What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and today we are back with another unboxing and first impressions. I have no idea what's inside here. We're gonna open it up and take a look and see if this fragrance smashes the box. Thanks for coming back, folks. We are back again with another unboxing. Make sure you are hitting that like and subscribe. We want more subscribers on the channel. Do us a favor. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. We're getting a ton of views. 90% of those viewers aren't subscribed to the channel yet, so you can help us out by hitting that subscribe button down below and let us know in the comments what you think of what we're talking about here today. Whether you like it, you don't like it, whether you like the type of review, you don't like the type of review. Doesn't matter what it is or what the reason is. Let me know down below how we can improve, any tips, tricks, and all that stuff. Any fragrances you'd like to see on the channel, I'll try to get to it. I do have a bit of a queue when it comes to unboxing these. Like, this one's been sitting there for a while, so I don't even know what's in this bad boy. But it is an order from Joma Shop here. And today, what do we got on this one? I don't know. So this one is, get rid of the box. Dun, 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 dun. The classic Joma Shop bubble wrap. I love it. Boom. The Most Wanted Parfum Azzaro. So guys, this one here has definitely been one. I did one for Wanted by Night, and everybody told me that my first impressions and my impressions of that fragrance were absolutely off the mark, incredibly insane. But I can only tell you guys what my nose smells. And not only that, but I went ahead and I bought another bottle just to see if I got a bad batch, right? So that is it. Wanted by Night from Azzaro. I have this in the 50 and now 100 mil. So I got a backup, but apparently this one's being discontinued. So that should be a good thing. I did want to get the Most Wanted by Azzaro. And we have got this one here to see how it compares. So let's take the little knife. Well, you know what? Let's just rip it open. Let's get right into it. So box wise, you do have on the front here, you've got, like, it's a little bit of a matte box here. The Most Wanted Azzaro there. It does have the information on it. This is in a 50 mil, 1.6 fluid ounces. On the bottom, you do have a bunch of your information, all that good stuff. On the top, you've got the, little cylinder there for the pistol. Nothing on the left side. On the right side, you do have some kind of brand slogans, this, that, and the other thing, where it was produced and or imported by, or all of that good stuff. My camera doesn't want to focus on it. There it goes. You can see that there, and that's about it. So let's take a look. Let's open the top of the box up and see. I haven't been overly impressed with what I have from Azzaro so far. Like I said, the Most Wanted, or not the Most Wanted, but Wanted by Night for me wasn't this deep, dark, sweet summer or fall, winter fragrance that everybody says that it should be. I'm getting more of, like, freshy vibes. Like I said, I do have a little bit of a unique nose, and I can sometimes fail to smell certain notes. I don't know why, but I can. But let's grab test strip here. Again, the cap. These should be refillable. No, I'm not getting, it's not turning. So if it is refillable, I don't know about it. But let's take a look here at this one. One little bit of juice on the first spray. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so sweeter in the air, spicier, sweeter. Still getting freshy vibes from it though. Yeah, the little dust that sprayed on my arm's gone now. I like it better. It doesn't have, it's not popping sweet tarts for me like the other one was, but it's not deep and dark and rich. Like, this is not a Herod. This is not an Ajwan. This is not a Leighton. This is not a Spice Bomb Extreme. It's not in that vein, guys. It's more in the line of Dolce & Gabbana, the One, Royal Knights, that type of a sweet, spicy mix, but it is darker for sure than Wanted by Night. Let's grab the Wanted by Night and let's see what we've got here. Let's compare the two. Let me get rid of some of these other test strips that aren't smelling like anything anymore. I'm still getting that wanted the wanted DNA. I'm getting fresh vibes. It is darker though than this one from what I remember. Let's give this one another go, man. Maybe my nose will smell something different today. I don't know. Maybe I had I was sick. I had the cold or something. I couldn't smell. Okay. So this is Wanted, the Most Wanted, Wanted by Night. Get the names confused. The Most Wanted, Wanted by Night. So I'm getting shower gel aromatics. Okay. In the bottle, you got your same old Azzaro bottle. You've got, on the top here, the name of the house, the cylinders, matte black top, glass bottom here, date code and bar information over there. On the scents, right? So I have the Most Wanted in my right hand and Wanted by Night in my left hand. Wanted by Night, like the way sweet tarts smell when you open the bag, right? So when you open the bag and it hits you, right? So it's sweet. And that's what I mean by sweet tart smell. It's tarty. It's citrus forward. I'm not getting any of the cinnamon that's in the top of the Most Wanted, the Wanted by Night. The Most Wanted is definitely richer, a different vibe. It doesn't smell like sweet tarts to me. What does it smell like? I'm trying to get some notes for you guys here out of my brain. So I'm getting a little bit of vanilla. So there's a vanilla in the Most Wanted. A little bit of spices, but it's not like you get spices in Ajwan or spices like you get in Spice Bomb. It's not that kind of a spice. It's kind of more like Royal Night-esque type of spices where it's like maybe, but it's deeper, it's darker, it's richer than Wanted by Night. So this one for me smells a little bit like strawberry, blueberry sweet tart, like a blueberry, raspberries sweet tart, but it's a candied fruit. And this one for me, which is this one here, I get a candied vibe. It's sweet. I'm not getting deep spices. Let's take a look at the notes, folks. Let's take a look at the notes of the Most Wanted and see what we've got. So we've got the Most Wanted by Azzaro over here on our Parfumo app. 7.5 rating on this one. The Most Wanted is a popular perfume by Azzaro for men that was released in 2021. So fairly new. This scent is sweet, spicy. So Guatemalan cardamom, so toffee. Maybe that's kind of and bourbon vanilla and vetiver. Wow, really? That's it? There's got to be more notes than that. I get the vanilla. Why does this smell fruity to me? I don't know what it is about this DNA. There's something in this DNA that doesn't register in my nostrils. I get fruit, but not in a fruity, like fresh fruit, natural fruits, but in like a candy. There is a vanilla in there, so that is starting to pop through, but there's something about it like a chewing, like a bubble gum-ish, but not like straight bubble gum, but like a fruit bubble gum. Like you remember those old fruit bubble gums back in the day that they were big fat chunks that came in the packages, like 5 or 6. It smells a little bit the way that tastes. I really want to get what other people get with this fragrance. I really do. Like I see the reviews all the time and they're not bad, but they fall into that 1 million, that type of a vibe for me. I like this one better, okay? So this one for me is probably more down my range, but it's not what I like in a deep, dark, rich fall winter scent, right? Yeah, I could wear this in the fall. I could wear this in the winter, but it's not what it is for me. It's just not what it is. It's not like the one at all. I just don't get, I don't get a deep, dark vanilla flavor. I mean, not even on the dry down for me on this. Even when I waited for the dry down, yeah, it gets a little bit deeper, a little bit richer, but not in a major way. Not in a major way for this. And this one here too. I don't know. It's deeper and darker and richer than this one is, but there's no way that this is just cardamom, toffee, vanilla, and better. Like, I know those notes. Those notes are in other fragrances that I own. I'm not getting a vetiver at all. Look, man, like maybe this Azzaro line is just not good for me. I think I have the Parfum on order as well. The Most Wanted Parfum. So the one that's, you have Wanted by Night, the Most Wanted, and then the Most Wanted Parfum. I like this one. So 7.5. This one is better. Like if you wanted to pick one between, they're not really close to each other at all. So you could have them both. If you had to pick one over the other, which one is better? If you're out there and you're trying to figure out which one do I go with? Do I go with this one or do I go with this one? Go with this one, the black one. The black one is better than Wanted by Night, in my opinion. Are they blind buy safe? Sure. I mean, they don't smell bad. For me, it's just not interesting. Like I don't know if the hype is real on on either of them. I don't know if the hype is real. This one's definite. They almost smell a little bit, they're very youthful, very feminine for me. Maybe I'm old. Maybe I'm getting old now. It's not a bad fragrance, but it's not interesting to me. It's good. 7.5, guys. That's it. That's all we got for today, man. I could ramble on this. I'm just basically gonna sit here and watch me like ponder in my head why I'm not getting what everybody else is getting from this line. That's all you're gonna be sitting there watching me. I don't think you want to do that. So we're gonna call it a day, folks. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what's wrong with my nose. What is wrong with my nose, folks? Tell me what is wrong with my nose. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you're stuck here till the end, you're a champ, because this video has been just me not knowing what to say about anything. All right, so big yourselves up for that. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Peace. I'm out of here.